Yo guys, welcome to our channel. The channel is Nazvin, and kindly if you have not subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe. Today we're going to talk about something also very important. We're talking about very important component in our diet, and when we talk about this, we're going to talk about what we call cloves. I don't know if you know cloves. I'm going to attach the name here. So we're talking about the 15 benefits of clove water. 15 benefits of clove water, and I'm going to address the benefits and also the complications and how to manage those complications at the end of the day. So clove water is made by infusing cloves in water. It's known for its numerous health problems, healthy benefits due to rich in nutritional profile and also medicinal properties. So cloves are very important. So this is where you get a clove and also insert it in the water to help you manage some issues, some health issues at the end of the day. And we're going to address how it really helps. It helps one. So when we talk about the potential benefits, the 15 of them, I'm going to name them and also discuss them. So of clove water. So number one is about anti-inflammatory properties. So the benefit, it reduces inflammation and alleviates pain in conditions like arthritis. It has been shown with the studies that clove water helps in arthritis things, because the thing is cloves contain what you call agenol, that is Eugenol, agenol, a compound with potential and anti-inflammatory effects. Number two is about it boosts immune system. So it enhances the body ability to fight infections, that's what you mean, and illnesses. So the explanation for this is about cloves are rich in antioxidants that help strengthen the immune system. Number three, it aids in digestion. So it improves digestive health and relieves symptoms of indigestion, gas, and also bloating. So cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. That's how they aid in digestion. Oral health is very key also from the cloves. This is the promotes oral hygiene and it reduces the bad breath, especially the people with bad breath. So this is another solution which you can have, which you can really be helped on managing your bad breath. So oral health is brought by this, because antibacterial properties of cloves help combat the oral pathogens. Number five is antioxidant properties. So it protects the body from oxidative stress and reduces the risk of chronic illnesses. So cloves are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and eugenol, so which has antioxidant properties. Number six, it regulates the blood sugar levels. So they help maintain the blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. So it is a good component for those people who are diabetic. So you are encouraged actually to take it, so that it can help you to approach this problem of diabetes. So people with diabetes are really encouraged to take these cloves at the end of the day. Weight management is another where it supports weight loss and management. So cloves boost metabolism and aids in digestion of fats. That's how they reduce the weight, or they will manage the weight levels to the recommended levels at the end of the day. So if you want to manage your weight well, cloves are for you on the weight management. On the respiratory health, is also, it helps to relieve things like cough, asthma, and bronchitis, because they contain the anti-expectorant properties that help mucus to be cleared from the airway. So they have respiratory health, they improve the respiratory health by relieving symptoms such as cough, asthma, and bronchitis, because they have expectorant properties which can clear the mucous membrane and also the airway very well. Or also weight management. I've talked about the weight management. We talk about skin health. It improves the skin's texture. If you take it for some time, you will see your skin improving in texture and reducing the acne and other skin conditions. So it's very key. Because of it contains the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which are really beneficial for the skin. So they improve the skin health at the end of the day. Also, they have antimicrobial properties. They protect the body against bacteria, virus, and also fungal infections, because it is a very strong antimicrobial property and components. So it really protects us against the viral, fungal, and also bacterial infections. It improves the liver function, supports the liver health through detoxification. You know, the biggest role of the liver is to detoxify things in our body. So it helps the liver to do the same. So cloves enhance liver function and help to detoxify the body, or remove the toxins or the bad things from our body. Pain relief is another property where it provides natural pain relief, and also especially the pain headaches. We have toothache, muscle pain. So because of eugenol, which is contained in the cloves, so they act as a natural analgesic. So instead of taking the drugs, it just show the cloves have been seen to really relieve one from such kind of problems. So also we have bone health, where it strengthens, it gives it gives strength to the bones and also improve the bone density. So cloves maintain manganese, which is contain what we call manganese, which is very essential in bone health. So because of the manganese in the cloves, it helps the bones density and also the strengthen the bones, so that you don't develop osteoporosis or is breakage of those bones. It improves also blood circulations and also reduces the cardiovascular diseases, because it improves the circulation by dilating the blood vessels. So it helps our blood to circulate very well in our body. It enhances sexual health. It boosts actually libido and sexual performance, because it has what you call aphrodisiac properties and improve of blood flow to the sexual organs. So that's very key. So cloves water may contain, which with its myriad benefits, is a simple yet potential addition to health lifestyle. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, like I mentioned, antimicrobial and digestive properties. So it makes it very valuable natural remedy for various issues. So regular consumption of clove water in moderation, guys, in moderation. So I've said it is 15 health properties. So everything has to be done with moderations, and also because when you do it in moderation, that's when you can experience the overall well-being and also manage specific conditions as appropriate. So how do you prepare these cloves for your use? Managing use of water effectively involves understanding its benefits, potential side effects, and also appropriate usage. Here are some guidelines for managing the consumption and the use of clove water. So how do you prepare it? So on preparation, to make clove water, soak 4 to 5 whole cloves in a cup of water overnight. They say you soak it overnight. So in the morning, strain the water and drink it on an empty stomach. So start with a small amount, e.g. half a cup, and gradually increase to 1 cup per day. Avoid excessive consumption, as it can have very adverse effects at the end of the day. On monitoring and adjusting the dosage, initial effects, monitor your first response to clove water, especially if you are trying for the first time. If you experience any adverse effect, reduce the dosage or discontinue the use. On long-term use, it's best to use clove water intermittently rather than continuously. Consider taking breaks after a few weeks of regular use to prevent potential complications or side effects. On the potential side effects which you can monitor about this, we may have gastrointestinal issues because excessive consumption of clove water can cause digestive issues such as nausea for vomiting and diarrhea. So adjust the dosage if these symptoms occur. Allergic reactions can also occur. Some individuals may react to the cloves, so discontinue the use of this if you experience things like rash, itching, and swelling, which may be a sign of an allergic reaction. Medical conditions and cautions is very key. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have an underlying medical conditions or taking other medications. Consult your healthcare provider before adding clove water to your routine, so that cloves can, because cloves can interact with certain medications and make them overwork on your body or underwork on your body. So if you are in other medications, consult with your healthcare provider. And for those who are breastfeeding and also pregnant, it's very key that you should consult your doctor before consuming the clove water to ensure if it is safe for your use. Combining with other remedies, so balanced approach, use clove water as part of holistic approach to health, combining with other health remedies and also health lifestyle practices. Complementary remedies, clove water can be complemented with the herbal teas and also natural remedies which can support overall health. Diet and lifestyle. So a healthy diet, maintain a balanced diet like with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and also lean proteins. Clove water should be a supplement to, not a substitute to. So healthy diet. So your diet also should be balanced and health. Don't expect a lot of miracles from the clove thing. So on the storage and quality, freshness is very key. Use fresh, high quality cloves to make clove water. Store cloves in an airtight container in a cool, dry to maintain their potency. Clean water should be used. To use clean water which is filtered to prepare clove water to avoid any contamination. On the mental health and well-being, stress management is also another thing which you should also be practicing as much as you're using this. So take care of also the things we talk about, meditation, yoga, and other things. So don't use it exclusively the clove water only. Involve other things like we've mentioned about the exercises, but also on the side of the mental health and well-being. Sleep hygiene is also very key, where you sleep adequately. Rest as overall well-being of your body is very key also. So effectively manage the use of clove water and also its preparation very well. Monitor any side effects and integrate with your balanced lifestyle. So following this guidance, you can maximize the health benefits of clove water while minimizing the potential risk at the end of the day. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized professional decision making, so that you can make significant changes to your health regimen, especially if you have existing conditions or concerns. So sometimes we may have complications related to the clove water. While cloves offers numerous health benefits, excessive consumption or improper use can lead to various complications. And some of the complications which can come about, number one is about gastrointestinal issues, like where we have complications such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and stomach irritation. So with these cloves, because contain eugenol, which can be irritating to the gastrointestinal tract in large amounts, so that's why I mentioned you should take it to moderation. Allergic reactions can also occur, where we have skin rashes, itching, swelling, and difficulty in breathing. So with the individuals with allergic reactions, it's very key that when consumed or applied typically, so that's also another potential complication. Bleeding disorders can come up with increased risk of bleeding and bruising. So eugenol in cloves has blood thinning properties, which can interfere with the normal clotting, especially if the people with bleeding disorders or those taking anticoagulant drugs. So if you are On anticoagulant drugs like warfarin, you should be careful. Discuss with your doctor about it, just because you may likely to have bleeding tendencies. Hypoglycemia or low blood sugar levels can also occur. The cloves have been shown to lower blood sugars, which may be very problematic for individuals with diabetes or those with blood sugar lowering medication. So if you are on sugar medications, also you need to be very careful about the use of clove water. Liver damage can also occur if the clove are taken in high levels because of the liver toxicity and damage. High doses of eugenol can be toxic to the liver and also lead to liver damage over time. Respiratory issues can also come up, breathing difficulties and respiratory distress. Inhalation of clove oil or clove powder can irritate the tract and causing breathing issues. Drug interactions, adverse interactions especially with the blood thinners, diabetes medication, and also pain relievers is also another complication. So cloves can interact with various medication, potentially altering their effect. So that's very key at the end of the day. Dental issues can also come up with the use of clove water in excess, with gum irritation and damage to the dental tissues. So excessive use of clove water water as a mouthwash can irritate the gums and oral mucosa. Pregnancy and breastfeeding mothers, potential risk to the fetus or infant. With this, the safety of clove water during pregnancy and breastfeeding is not well established, and high dose can pose risks at the end of the day. So with the pregnant mothers and those who are breastfeeding, you need to really clarify this with your healthcare provider before you make use of the clove water. Skin irritation like redness, itching can also come about. The application of clove water or oil can cause skin irritation with sensitive people. So that is also another complication which can come about. Toxicity, toxic effects to overdose. Overconsumption of clove water can lead to toxic effects like things like dizziness, like rapid heartbeat. With some patients or some individuals can experience seizures or convulsions, which can occur at the end of the day. Neurological effects is also another complication. Potential neurological things like tremors and seizures can occur because of high dose of eugenol, which affects the nervous system, leading to neurological complication. On the management of these, the complications, moderate consumption is key to reduce the risk of, especially reduce the risk of gastrointestinal issues, liver damage, and other complications. So moderation is very key. Moderate consumption of the clove water. Medical consultation, if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or you have other underlying medical things, and also you should discuss this with your doctor so that you can know the safe usage and prevent drug interaction and adverse effects. Allergy testing is very key, where you perform a patch test where you put something that drug the clove water on your skin to test if you are allergic to it or you are reacting to it, to identify potential allergies and prevent skin irritation. Monitor blood sugars, very key. Because clove water is likely to lead to hypoglycemia, so if you have diabetes and you're using the drugs, so this help to prevent the hypoglycemia and manage the blood sugar effectively. Avoid during pregnancy and breastfeeding, because we don't know, the studies have not been established on how they interact with the infant and also the newborn, especially the breastfeeding mothers. So ensure safety for both mother and child. Proper storage to avoid any contamination. So maintain quality and also potency of the cloves. So it's very key that you get to more directly consume this. Consult with the healthcare provider, allergic testing, monitor blood sugars, avoid during pregnancy and also when breastfeeding, proper storage and preparation to avoid any contamination. Also balance the approach to health. So as much as you are taking the clove water, involve also nutritious diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and the stress management techniques. Awareness of potential side effects, that's very key. You should know things like gastrointestinal issues can come up when you're using the clove water, allergic reactions, and interaction with the medication. So seek medical attention if you experience an adverse effect. Education and research is very key. Stay informed about the benefits of risks of clove water. You utilize always reputable sources, and also consult your healthcare professionals for accurate information if you need any information about the clove water or the usage of the clove. Holistic health practices is very key. Incorporate holistic health practices in your routine, focusing on overall well-being and using natural remedies like clove water responsibly. By following these preventive measures, you minimize the risk of complications, and also safely incorporate clove water into your health regimen, so that you always prioritize your health and seek medical guidance when needed to ensure the safe and the effective use of the herbal remedies. In summary, the clove water has numerous potential benefits, guys, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and also antimicrobial properties. It may aid in digestion, boost immunity function, and also promote oral health. So, however, it should be the approach on how to use it is very key. You should use it with caution to avoid potential complication such as gastrointestinal issues, allergic issues, and also interaction with the other medication. To safely incorporate the clove water into your routine, consider starting with the small amount, and also consult with the healthcare provider if you have an underlying conditions or taking medications, so that you can monitor for any adverse reactions. Avoid excessive consumption, especially during pregnancy and breastfeeding, and perform patch tests before using topically. So by practicing moderation, seeking professional advice, and also potential being mindful of individual health needs, you can enjoy the potential benefits of clove water while minimizing the risks. Always prioritize safety and consult with the healthcare professional for personalized guidance on herbal remedies and overall health management. Guys, welcome. The channel is Nurse Vin. My name is Vincent. Vincent's not your average nurse, because this is where we get to discuss matters sensitive as this, and also to take care of our body in a simple language which everyone can understand. That's why I encourage you to like the video, and that way the YouTube gets to recommend us to a larger population, so that the information as basic as this can reach as many as possible for this kind of information. Guys, welcome to our next video, and we love you very much. Peace, guys.